Hi, I'm Kevin Anderson. I'm VP of Operations for Johnson Equipment Sales and Service. We are the managing company for Leonards Express. We take care of all the maintenance. I'll tell you a little bit about the maintenance on our trucks and trailers and how our PM schedules work and what is expected from a driver. On our tractors, we do an APM and a BPM. The APMs are done 15,000 mile intervals. So we have two 15,000 mile intervals, and then at 45,000 miles, we do a BPM. At the end of the year, we'll do what's called a CPM that's done at around 100,000 miles or 125,000 miles. It's about what our trucks run per year. On our trailers, we do a PM and federal inspection every 90 days. It's expected as you as a driver to keep track of the PM schedule both on the tractor and a trailer when you're assigned to it. It helps us to keep up with our maintenance, helps you to stay safe. On our tractors, we run auxiliary power units, which we call APUs. They're on there to help you maintain almost like a home living style. So when you're parked with your truck, it provides you power for your computer, your phone, TV, your microwave, whatever you want to use as a household. It also keeps the truck warm and cool, so we don't have to idle our trucks. It helps us with our fuel mileage. A little bit more about our trucks. On the safety side, we have extra backup lights that we put on them on the back of the truck so you can see if you're backing into an area that's dark. We put them on the back of the truck, also on the outside of the wings, so there's good clear vision when you're backing in. Okay, also on our trucks, not only do we have safety features with the lights, but we have an air release fifth wheel. It helps with shoulder injuries, so we've tried to eliminate that as an add-on to our trucks. You're also going to see that our interiors are pretty nice. We doll our trucks up. They're not an owner-operator spec, but they're top of the line. There's some other safety features that we put in there as far as front cameras. We have accident mitigation systems. We have the option for automatic or manual transmissions, whatever a driver's preference is. Just anything that you can think of, we pretty much have added them on. Of course, we're always looking for input from the drivers. You're always free to call our shops. And by the way, we have several different facilities. Farmington being the main shop. We have a shop in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, Newcastle, Delaware, Hickory, North Carolina, Caldwell, Idaho. You're more than welcome to get your trucks and trailers PM'd at any of our shops. If you need help getting your truck or trailer in, you need to work with your driver advocate to make it scheduled at one of our shops. If there's a problem with that, you need to call our service desk directly. We will handle that for you. Okay, I guess one last thing, working with your driver advocate, make sure you keep in communication along with them. Customers are important. They need to know where their loads are. Our job is to keep you rolling, get the loads there on time, and keep you safe.